Okay, guys, we're going to do a quick training on how to add a thumbnail, a custom thumbnail to your Loom recording. You can also use the same tactic to add a custom thumbnail to either your Facebook video or to a YouTube video as well. So we are on Loom, and we're going to add in a custom. So we recorded this video earlier about how to add email signature rescue to Spark. And I mentioned that because we're going to use the logos from that. So I'm going to go onto a custom logo, custom thumbnail. And once that loads up, hold on 2 seconds. So it brings up this page that says drag and drop a 11 by 52 by 720 pixels. Either a PNG or a JPEG works best. I can also add an animated GIF if I wanted to have that as well. And it says browse. I'm going to actually create it first. Now the program that I'm going to use to actually create this is called Designs from Prezi. So we've talked about this in a previous training, but Prezi.com is an amazing resource to create videos, to create presentation videos, and then also they've now added a new function that is called Designs. It has some templates, some infographics, some posters, and they also have what's called social media post. So social media post is basically this functionality that I have stuff for Instagram, I have things for email headers, and then I have YouTube thumbnails at the bottom here. And I can select one of these thumbnails and then start creating the actual background that I would want to have. So I would click on this one, use this template, and then start building it out. And I could add in pictures, I could add in content, I could change text, and so on and so forth. The program is just very intuitive. You could obviously use things like Canva or even Adobe products if you wanted to. This is just something that I've found that is no cost and gives you a little extra functionality. To kind of fast forward, I've already actually created a design. So basically I took this one and I just added a few couple details to the picture. If you'll notice, I also actually edited the size as well, which it allows me to do. So I edited it to the actual size that I need for the Loom setup, and you would set this up for YouTube, or you could set this up for any other basic thumbnail feature that you need. I added that, added a picture of myself, kind of moved the things around, made the elements, and so on and so forth. So this is now created. I simply download this. I'm going to do it, as I mentioned, JPEG was best suited. It keeps the right size, and I download that. And then once I download it, it's going to add it to my, wherever I want to put it. So I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm just going to call this thumbnail, in case. Put it on my desktop so I know where I can find it. Go back over to Loom, and I'm going to browse for what I want, and I call this thumbnail. So select that, and voila, I have a nice, pretty thumbnail. It's not quite exactly what size I want, but we could go in and play and adjust with that. If you'll notice, it only goes up, not down. Not sure why that is. Let's see, yeah. Not sure why that's not playing exactly right. It was 1152 by 720. Let me make sure of that. 1152 by 720. But once I click on save, let's see how it looks. So now I have my thumbnail. Once again, still not exactly right, but I can make some adjustments to that and kind of clean it up a little bit. I can also trim my video, and then I can add what's called call to action. I'll add those to some other video trainings, but just thought this was a quick way to create a thumbnail for your actual training. Appreciate it, guys. Talk to you later.